How to create an appointment confirmation and appointment reminders campaign. An appointment confirmation reminder campaign can be used to confirm appointments and nurture a lead with reminders up until their appointment time. You'll start by navigating to Campaigns and create a new campaign. Name it whatever you'd like. If you'd like a confirmation step to occur, which is certainly optional, you can add in an email, SMS, or messenger event with language confirming the appointment. Then you will want to have this event send out immediately. Next, you can create subsequent events, which would be your reminders. You'll need to use the before setting so that the events will automatically work off the appointment time and will send X amount of hours, days, or minutes before the appointment. For example, if you set up an email to send 48 hours before, the system will understand that that means to send 48 hours before the scheduled appointment time. You can do this for both SMS and email reminders within the same campaign and using the same type of setup. It is common to do both an email and SMS reminder, or even multiple of each. To ensure that a lead continues to get reminders even if they reply to the campaign, you will want to make sure that you toggle off the stop on response in the campaign configuration for this particular campaign. This is a necessary step for a reminder campaign because even if a lead responds to confirm their appointment, it doesn't necessarily mean that you want to stop sending them the subsequent reminders. Once you're all done and satisfied with the campaign events you have, make sure that you save your changes and publish the campaign. Please note additionally, if you need to add a one-off lead to the confirmation and reminders campaign, you can do so in either the conversation section or the contact section, but you do want to make sure the appointment is booked before manually adding them to the campaign. You'll click the plus add icon within the conversations or contact section to add them to the campaign.